Welcome back to Rewrite the Narrative, where it is okay to be curious. Today we're going to talk about my top 5 types of families in Jamaica. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Number 5 on my list is the single parent family. Single parent family consists of one parent with one or more children. In single parent family homes, children are usually given a lot of responsibilities, so they tend to miss out on simply being a child. The parent is mostly burdened with the responsibility of providing for the children. Therefore, the parent is also missing out on bonding with the child and simple pleasures. I think this family structure can build strong bonds between children and their parents, but it can also create negative bonds between the children and their parents, since both are missing out on so much. Number 4 on my list: childless families. Childless families are families with two parents or a couple who cannot or choose not to have children. This family structure might lead to financial independence, since there might be more disposable income and less responsibility. Both members of that family might have the freedom to choose to advance their education, choose better careers, the freedom to travel, since there are no dependents in the home. They might also feel incomplete as a family, isolated, and tend to have something missing. They may not be able to relate to their friends who have children. Number 3 on my list: step families. Step family is a family where two separate families merge together and become one. This family structure gives children and parents the opportunity to have a two-parent family. This could have a very positive impact on the children, since it provides stability, but it may also have a negative impact on the relationship, since it is exposed to external influence such as ex-partners and internal influences such as unwillingness to accept change in the new family structure. Number 2 on my list: the nuclear family structure. Yes, nuclear family structure is number 2 on my list. This family structure is where a couple and their children live together. The nuclear family structure offers consistency, since the children are raised together with both parents. It usually focuses on communication, health, education. It usually have that financial stability that we're looking for, and if it's properly handled, it's a beautiful family structure. The nuclear family structure, however, also excludes the extended family from that structure, and this robs the children and the adults alike from bonding with the larger family structure. Therefore, children may grow up not knowing their cousins, their aunts, their uncles, their grandparents. I think this is a selfish family structure, since it robs families of memories that they could have potentially built. Number 1 on my list is the extended family. Extended families are families with 2 or more adults who are related by blood or marriage, usually with children. The extended family structure teaches the respect and care for elderly, and this is very important. It has more adult role models and caregivers for each child, and it teaches social responsibility. If handled properly, this family structure could lead to financial security for the entire family for generations to come. But it could also lead to financial issues and lack of privacy if it's not handled properly. Here are some honorary mentions: the grandparent family structure. This family structure is where a grandparent takes care of the children. That is actually the least popular family structure. The most popular family structure, however, is the broken family. This family structure is destroying society. Rewrite the narrative. Like, share, and subscribe.